Don't want to fix it alone? Call RVFix to get virtual assistance from a certified technician today.
Hi there, Tony with RVFix. We're going to talk today about how to protect our RV's water system. Sometimes you might pull into an RV park and they might have 80 psi water pressure. Maybe you're pulling into a friend's driveway and they have 80, 90 psi water pressure. We have this water pressure regulator which is going to regulate that down to 40 to 50 psi, and that's going to protect our water system. So obviously you can put this on either end of the hose. You can just go ahead and hook it right to here to your city water hookup. But what I actually like to do is to put it on the hose bib and then hook my hose to that. So let's go to give that a shot. So I like to put my water pressure regulator on the hose bib side, the faucet at the RV park where your water comes out. Go ahead and hook my water hose up to that. That way when I turn that on, if there's excess pressure that's protecting our RV from, it's backing that pressure up in the water pipes and not stretching out our RV hose and potentially damaging it. All right, have a great day. Like and subscribe. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. If this video didn't solve your problem, don't worry. We're here to help. Give us a call at 1-844-66-RVFix. We'll diagnose your issue quickly with a certified technician on a video call, get any parts and warranty processed, and if needed, we'll coordinate a service center or mobile technician to get you fixed. We'll handle it all so you can get back to camping.